How to connect wired headphones to your iPhone 16e. There's no headphone jack, so what you need to do is to simply find an adapter that is USB Type-C to headphone jack. This is one that comes at an angle, but you also have these that are a bit more flexible and long. It really depends what you're looking for, but they all do the same thing. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want one. So you're going to put the USB Type-C in the iPhone, and in the 3.5mm jack, you're going to connect your headphones. And once you do this, you may get a message appearing on the display. Simply tap on headphones. And this is it. Now, if I drag down from the top right corner, you're going to see that if I control the volume, it has a headphone logo because it knows that the sound should come out of these. Open YouTube, open any music app, and they will work. Once you're done using them, simply disconnect them, and this is about it. It's very easy once you have the adapter. Next time you want to use them, connect, and many times you won't receive the message on the display. This is just the first time. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if you liked my video, and I'll see you in the next one.